Good day, class. My name is Mark Spindler, instructor for the KWEST warehousing program here at Solomon College, and today we are going to talk about autofill, cell navigation, and editing cells inside of spreadsheets. So let's take a look at Microsoft Excel and let's look at autofill. So let's say I've put in some information here and I want to keep that same information in the following 10 cells. First, you would click on that cell, then you would go to the bottom right hand corner of the cell until you see a crosshairs, like a plus sign, and then you would drag that down the number of cells you'd want to do, and it would automatically copy and fill those cells. Let's do a Control Z there. And also, if you highlighted two cells and there was a mathematical relationship between those cells, sometimes if you go to that bottom right hand corner and you drag down, it will continue with that mathematical relationship. Okay, now if we go to Google Sheets, it's the same thing. Okay, so I would click on that cell that I want the following cells to have the same contents. And then I would go to the bottom right hand corner until you see the plus sign. And then I would drag that down. And that would autocomplete, Control Z. Okay. And I could do the same thing for the numbers here. Let's say I just want 18 for the following 5 cells. And then I pull that down for 5 cells. And there you go. Okay. So that is autocomplete. Okay. The next thing that we want to look at is cell navigation. So inside of Microsoft Excel, if you press enter, it goes down. If you press shift enter, it goes up. Tab goes right, shift tab goes left. Also, you could use the arrow key, so you could go down, right, up, left. Okay. Inside of Google Sheets, if you press enter, it allows you to edit that cell. And then you press enter again, and it goes to the next cell. You press enter, edit, enter next cell. If you press shift enter, it's going to edit. Press shift enter again, it goes up. So it's the same as Excel, except it adds this little editing feature. Sorry. If you press tab, you go right, and if you press shift tab, it goes left. Okay, so enter adds that editing feature. Okay, now inside of Excel, if I click on a cell one time, it won't edit it, but if I click F2, it will allow me to edit that cell, right? So if I press shift enter, go up, and I want to add something to the end of that text, I would press F2, or if I wanted to edit that text, I press F2. Now I can use my arrow keys to go between here. I could add spaces or change and delete some letters here. Now let's press enter to complete that. Now let's say normally I click on it, I press the arrow key, it's going to navigate. So in order to edit it, you need to either double click on that cell, or you could click on the cell, then click on the formula bar at the top there, and then you could edit it there. Press enter, or you could click on it and press F2, and then you could edit it that way. So remember, inside of Excel, after you edit something, to exit or finish editing, press enter. That's very important. Okay, now with Google Sheets, it's about the same thing, except you can press enter. So let's say I have a text there, and let's say I wanted to add some spaces. So let's go back up, I can press enter. I'm now inside. Use the arrows to navigate, add some spaces. Let's see if I press the down arrow. Oh, it goes to the end. Up arrow goes to the beginning. Okay, and I could change that. Okay, let's press enter. Now, if I go inside of Excel, I'll press F2. I'll press the up arrow. Yeah, it goes to the beginning and end, and so there you go. So that's navigating and editing some text. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.